Very good morning, my dear students. How are you all, beta? I hope you all are fine and safe at home and doing your work properly and regularly on time. As you know, beta, our lesson number 2 is going on, which is animal and their varying lifestyle. So, in this lesson, beta, we have already talked about the adaptation in animals, adaptation for breathing, right? In the aquatic animals, on the land animals, how do the microbes breathe, how do the amphibians breathe, right? And how the insects breathe. We have also talked about the adaptation for movement in the land animals, reptiles, insects, aquatic animals and also the aerial animals, right बेटा? आई होप आपको इससे पहले ये सारी चीज़ें अच्छे से समझ आ गई होंगी. सो बेटा, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द एडेप्टेशन फॉर फीडिंग. फीडिंग का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? एडेप्टेशन फॉर फीडिंग मीन्स खाने के लिए, मीन्स हाउ डू द एनिमल्स अडेप्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ईटिंग हैबिट्स. सो बेटा, animals need food to grow, right? We also need food to grow because food gives us energy to do work, to play, and it also helps us in the growth also. And animals also need food to grow and to get energy to move around to protect themselves from their different enemies. Animals eat beta different type of food, right? And they have different type of feeding habits also, right? They have different feeding nature. So beta, on the basis of their feeding habits, animals are grouped into the three categories: herbivorous, carnivorous and the omnivorous. In these three categories, animals are divided, or we can say grouped, on their feeding habits, means of their different feeding habits. So first we will talk about the herbivorous animals. So beta, herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals are the animals beta that feed on only the plant. They eat the parts of the plant like leaves, flower and the fruits. So beta, as you can see in this picture, we can see different animals, right? We can see cow, we can see goat, we can see deer, horse, gorilla, tortoise, panda, elephant, hippopotamus, right? Zebra. So beta, these animals are herbivorous animals. Sheep, cow, rabbit, deer, they also eat grass and leaves. So beta, animals those who are herbivorous, they have large incisors. As you can see in this picture, beta, they have large incisors to cut the grass and the leaves. They have broad molars to grind the and chew the food. And beta, जो इनकी एलिमेंट्री कैनाल होती है, इट इज ब्रोक डाउन, इट ब्रेक डाउन द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स and the material eaten by them. So beta, these we are talking about the herbivorous animals. Beta, some birds are also herbivorous, like parrot. So beta, parrot is also a herbivorous animal. So beta, we know that the parrot eat fruit and nuts, right? So beta, it has a curved and pointed beak. As you can see in this picture, it have a strong curved pointed beak और इसकी हेल्प से वो easily किसी भी चीज में होल बना सकता है. It can make hole in anything. It can bite and hold the fruit and as well as crush them and chew hard nuts and seeds with the help of its beak. Next beta, rat, mice, rabbit and moles. These animals are called rodents. What these are called beta? Rodents. So beta, these animals eat seed and fruits. As you can see in this picture beta, they have sharp incisors and which help them to gnaw the food. Gnaw the food मतलब दे रेगुलर बाइट इन एनी फूड, मतलब किसी चीज को लगातार कुतरना. ठीक है. सो दे ईट सीड्स एंड फ्रूट विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर इंसाइजर्स एंड दे नो द फूड बेटा. ओके. सो दिस वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द herbivorous animals. So beta, now we will talk about the carnivorous animals. So beta, carnivorous animals are those animals that eat flesh of other animals. The carnivorous are also called the predator beta, because वो क्या क्यों कहलाते हैं predator? Because they find and catch its prey. prey का मतलब शिकार, वो अपने शिकार को ढूंढते हैं, उसको कैच करते हैं and then they eat it. So बेटा, लायंस यूजुअली हंट बाय क्रीपिंग टूवर्ड्स देम. क्रीपिंग का मतलब छुपकर, झाड़ियों में छुपकर रेंगते हुए ढूंढना. सो बेटा, दे क्रीप टूवर्ड इट्स प्रे विदाउट बीइंग नोटिस्ड. when it is about 30 meter away, it runs very fast to catch the prey, and thus with his very long strong leg muscles, they help it in running fast. And the carnivorous animals beta, they have very sharp canines. So beta, as you can see in this picture, they have very sharp canines to tear the flesh of animals. Their claws are very strong to catch and hold its prey, and even their sense of smell is also very strong beta. Animals like cheetah, tiger, leopard are some carnivorous animals. So beta, as you can see, this is the picture of eagle, right? This is the picture of eagle. So beta, eagle are also carnivorous birds. They can fly very high looking for its prey such as rat, rabbit. They have very sharp eyesight बेटा, उनकी आँखों की रोशनी मतलब उनको देखने की अक्षमता बहुत अच्छी होती है. And they also use their sharp feet, claws to catch its prey, and they have very strong feet beta. It has very sharp and curved beak. So beta, as you can see in this picture, they have very sharp and curved beak, right? And it helps the eagle to tear off the flesh very easily. And you can see in this picture, their eye are very, matlab we can say they have very sharp eyesight. Okay beta. So beta, now we will talk about the omnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals. Beta, omnivorous animals are those animals that eat both plant and flesh of other animals. So beta, omnivorous animals, they eat seed as well as worms. Their jaw, beak of omnivorous have special features to tear up and rip fresh and swallow the whole animal. They can also grind and chew the parts of their parts. मीन्स प्लांट के पार्ट्स भी वो इजीली ग्राइंड और चू कर सकते हैं. एंड द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ऑफ ओमनिवोरस is specialized to digest the plants and animal food. So beta, as you can see in this picture, these are different omnivorous animals like pig, crow, bear, right? Dog, hen. So these are the different omnivorous animals. So beta, some insect like butterflies, they feed on nectar of the flowers. nectar क्या होता है बेटा? the juice that is present in the flowers. flowers के अंदर एक juice present होता है जिसको हम nectar बोलते हैं. तो insects like butterfly feed on the nectar found in the flowers, and they have special sucking type mouth part, as you can see in this picture beta. The butterfly have long sucking tube called proboscis, which is used to suck nectar from the flowers. When it is not in use, the proboscis remained coiled. मतलब जो वो उसकी sucking tube है, अगर वो उसको use नहीं करेगी तो वो coiled रहती है. Female mosquitoes also have beta special mouth part for piercing into the skin and suck the blood. And beta, so beta, frogs, as you can see in this picture, this is the picture of a frog. Frog beta feeds, मतलब वो किस पे क्या खाता है? It eat flies, beetles and small worms. So beta, they use their sticky tongue to catch their prey. The tongue of the frog is folded on the floor of its mouth beta. The top of the tongue is very sticky. बहुत चिपचिपी टंग होती है बेटा फ्रॉग की. The frog can flip its tongue beta to target any insect and catch it very quickly. When beta the frog flip its tongue towards the target very quickly, the insect gets stuck on its tongue and the frog roll it back into its mouth. So beta, द टीथ इन द अपर जॉ ऑफ द फ्रॉग प्रिवेंट द प्रे फ्रॉम एस्केपिंग, मतलब उसके मुंह में जो छोटे छोटे दांत होते हैं वो प्रे को बाहर निकलने से रोकते हैं। एंड दीज टीथ डू नॉट हेल्प, मतलब ये टीथ सिर्फ उसको रोकने में, मतलब जो उसने प्रे किया है, मतलब जो उसने शिकार किया है उसको सिर्फ रोकने में हेल्प करते हैं, उसको चू करने में या बाइट करने में हेल्प नहीं करते। जो फ्रॉग होते हैं बेटा, दे स्वेलो देयर फूड, दे डू नॉट बाइट और चू द फूड। ओके, so these were the different feeding habits of animals beta. So tomorrow we will talk about the adaptation for protection and also about the migration. Okay beta, so what you have to do beta, read page number 19 and 20. Okay, till then bye bye, take care and always do your work on time.